Did a Chinese company really build an engine that wastes 20% less fuel energy than most modern cars? For more than 100 years, car companies struggled to cross the 40% efficiency wall, and now one engine suddenly hit 48.41%. That single number is now shaking companies like Toyota, BMW, Volkswagen, and Honda harder than most people realize. Most people hear the number 48.41% and think it sounds like exam marks after forgetting to study. But inside the car industry, this number is absolute madness. Thermal efficiency simply means how much fuel energy actually moves the car forward. In normal petrol cars, nearly 70% of fuel energy disappears as wasted heat. It escapes through the exhaust, engine walls, and moving parts rubbing against each other. Even the best engines from companies like Toyota and Volkswagen only managed to reach around 40 to 41% after decades of research. Engineers treated that number like a giant brick wall that could not be broken easily. Then Chinese automaker Geely walked in with 48.41% efficiency and completely changed the conversation. This is not some tiny upgrade like adding one extra camera to a phone and calling it revolutionary. Car engines are basically controlled explosions happening thousands of times every minute. Fuel burns inside cylinders, pistons move up and down, and the wheels start turning. Sounds simple when explained quickly, but controlling all that heat is a nightmare. Heat spreads everywhere and wastes huge amounts of energy before it can actually help move the vehicle. Engineers around the world spent decades trying to reduce this waste little by little. There is even a physics concept called the Carnot limit, which explains that every heat engine has a practical efficiency ceiling. Because of this, many experts believed petrol engines were already near their maximum potential. That is why companies spent billions just to improve efficiency by 2 or 3%. Reaching even 41% was considered a huge achievement. So when Geely crossed 48%, many engineers probably stared at the announcement screen like someone just unlocked a secret cheat code. While many global automakers were busy focusing only on electric vehicles, Chinese companies started exploring a different path. Instead of fully replacing combustion engines immediately, they asked a smarter question. What if engines themselves could become dramatically more efficient? That mindset helped companies like BYD make huge progress in hybrid technology. Traditional hybrid cars constantly switch engine speeds depending on traffic, hills, and road conditions. Engines lose efficiency whenever RPM changes too much. BYD solved this by letting the engine stay at one perfect speed most of the time, while electric motors handled wheel movement. The setup worked almost like a power generator instead of a traditional engine system. That approach helped BYD reach around 46% efficiency, which already shocked the global auto industry. While competitors were still reacting to BYD, Geely had already moved to the next level quietly. This is where the story starts sounding completely insane. Geely redesigned the airflow inside the engine cylinder to create what engineers call a high-speed vortex combustion system. In simple words, a mini tornado forms inside the cylinder before fuel ignites. Normally, fuel and air mix unevenly in traditional engines. Some areas get too much fuel while others get too little. When the spark plug fires, the flame spreads unevenly and wastes energy. Geely's spinning vortex mixes fuel and air much more evenly before ignition happens. So when combustion starts, the explosion becomes faster, cleaner, and more controlled. More energy pushes the piston instead of escaping as useless heat. That single airflow redesign plays a huge role in crossing the efficiency barrier. Also, the phrase "fire tornado engine" sounds less like car engineering and more like a wrestling finishing move. Making stronger explosions inside an engine sounds great until the engine starts destroying itself. One major problem is something called engine knock. This happens when fuel ignites too early before the spark plug fires properly. The result is uncontrolled pressure that can seriously damage pistons and cylinders. For years, this problem stopped engineers from increasing compression levels safely. Geely found a clever solution by controlling engine temperatures differently in separate sections of the engine. Instead of cooling the entire engine equally, the company created a split thermal system. The top part of the engine stays much colder because that is where combustion happens. Cooler temperatures prevent unwanted ignition and allow much higher compression safely. At the same time, the lower engine section stays warmer to reduce friction between moving parts. It sounds strange at first, but this hot and cold setup helped Geely push efficiency beyond limits that many engineers believed were impossible. Traditional automatic gearboxes are incredibly complicated. They contain hundreds of moving parts, constantly creating friction and energy loss. Every gear change wastes a little bit of power before it even reaches the wheels. Geely decided to rethink the entire setup from scratch. The company built something called the 11-in-1 Intelligent Drive System. Instead of relying heavily on traditional gear changes, the system combines the engine, electric motors, generators, cooling systems, and electronics into one compact unit. During most daily driving, the petrol engine does not directly power the wheels at all. It mainly generates electricity while electric motors handle acceleration and movement. That means smoother driving, quieter operation, and better fuel efficiency. Only during high-speed highway driving does the engine connect directly to the wheels, because that becomes more efficient at those speeds. Basically, the car keeps changing strategies every second to waste as little energy as possible. This breakthrough becomes even crazier once the fuel economy numbers appear. Geely claims fuel consumption of around 2.22 liters per 100 kilometers. For a full-size SUV, that is unbelievably low. The total driving range can reportedly exceed 2,000 kilometers using one tank plus battery support. That completely changes how people think about long-distance driving. One of the biggest concerns with electric vehicles is charging infrastructure and range anxiety. Many drivers still worry about charging stations during long trips. Ultra-efficient hybrid systems like this remove most of those concerns while still delivering smooth electric-style driving. Daily commutes feel almost like driving an EV, but fuel stations are still available everywhere. That combination is exactly why this technology is getting massive attention worldwide. Also, spending less money on fuel always sounds good no matter which country someone lives in. This breakthrough is forcing major car companies like BMW, Honda, and Volkswagen to rethink their future plans completely. For years, people believed electric vehicles would fully replace combustion engines very soon. Now companies like Geely are proving that ultra-efficient hybrid engines still have massive potential left. Drivers now get long range, lower fuel costs, and smoother driving without depending fully on charging stations. One thing is very clear now. China is no longer following the global car industry anymore. It is starting to lead parts of it. A Chinese company just built one of the most efficient production engines the world has ever seen. And the entire auto industry is now paying attention very carefully. The craziest part is that many experts genuinely believed this level of efficiency was not realistic for mass-produced vehicles. Now the conversation around hybrid technology has changed overnight. The next few years are going to be extremely interesting as global car companies try to respond. And honestly, watching giant automakers suddenly panic after hearing the words "fire tornado engine" is already entertaining enough. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.